Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Brainly app not working. So if the Brainly application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Brainly. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find this application for Brainly. All you have to do is tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once the app is updated, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Brainly and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Brainly. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now the cache of this app will be cleared. Now your problem should be solved. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the app and install it again. For that, go back to the app info interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for uninstall. Tap on it. Now tap on the option OK and the application will be uninstalled. Head to the Play Store and simply install the application again. After you do that, the Brainly app should start working. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So what you have to do is simply restart your device. For that, long press on the power button, or if you're using the Android device, simply scroll down from the top of your screen. Now over here, you'll be able to find the power icon, tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now all of the temporary software glitches will be fixed. Now your application should start working. So that is how you fix Brainly app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.